Hey everyone, okay, so we're a little bit hungry. We've been at the beach all day, couldn't decide what to do. And we remember, yeah, sand everywhere, man. It was windy down there today. But we're gonna go to La Placita and get something to eat and see what's happening down there because it usually happens Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we're gonna go down there and check it out, and you can go with us. Come on.
Greetings from Puerto Rico. Let's check out La Placita, where people are eating, drinking, and dancing in the streets. It's a fun, really fun place. They close all the streets down, and there's like wall-to-wall bars and restaurants around here. So I'm talking to you now because pretty soon you're not going to be able to hear me at all.
Okay, so we made it to La Placita. It's a little early, but we're gonna grab something to eat. Plenty of room to sit. Are you excited? Yeah. It's been a while since we've been here. It's like New Orleans. Yeah, yeah. Very cool, very safe. Nice area. I don't think we did.
No, we didn't.
No, that was down there to the left, I believe is how you get there. And we ate up there at the top. Remember that? We sat up there and had some appetizers. That was right there, the barbecue place where we ate.
Yeah. Where is it now?
It looks like that's what caught on fire, something over there. No, the wind's kind of blocked. If it's a band playing, I can. If it's a soundtrack that's been recorded, I can. This will all be filled up with people dancing in about an hour or two.